Remembrance, you may hear bells ring 100 times in various Canadian cities, such as ours in the city of Brampton. We would like to welcome the grade 5s and 8s to speak about contributions many Canadians made for their country. We together as a Fairmount family will hear 100 bells ring today.
The First World War, 1914 to 1918, is considered an event in Canadian history that helped mark our evolution into a truly independent country. Our soldiers played an important role in the conflict during the 100 Days Offensive in the late summer and fall of 1918.
On August 8, 1918, the Battle of Amiens occurred in northern France with the Canadians leading attack. It was a great success with our soldiers leading a major breakthrough on the German army.
Canadian soldiers would be called on again and again in the weeks and months that followed, with our soldiers courageously fighting their way through the Hindenburg line across the Canal du Nord into Canada before finding themselves in Mons, Belgium on November 11, 1918, the day the armistice had finally ended the fighting in the First World War went into effect.
The Canadians had helped break the stalemate of trench fighting on the Western Front that had lasted for years. Their success came at a high price, with more than 6,800 of our soldiers being killed and 39,000 more wounded during the final 3 months of the conflict.
Khabib Khan was the first South Asian soldier to receive the Victorian Cross. Over 400,000 Muslim soldiers fought in World War I. Ishwar Singh was the first Sikh to receive a Victorian Cross. Sikh soldiers in Canada were enlisted for World War I even when they could not vote.
Alex Ducuto was born on November 19, 1887 on the Red Pheasant Reserve near North Battleford, Saskatchewan. He was a Cree Canadian track and field Olympian and Canada's first Indigenous police officer. In April 1915, Ducuto joined the Canadian Expeditionary Force and was killed on October 30, 1917, during the Second Battle of Passchendaele.
1 in 3 First Nations men enlisted during the First World War. One story recounts a man by the name of John Campbell, who lived on the Arctic coast near Herschel Island, which lies 5 kilometers off the coast of Yukon. Campbell traveled 3,000 miles by trail, canoe, and river steamer to Vancouver in order to enlist with the Canadian Expeditionary Force. Approximately 4,000 Indigenous people left their homes and families to help fight an international war that raged in European battlefields.
William Hall, who served on the British Royal Navy ship HMS Shannon, was the first black person and the first Nova Scotian to receive the Victoria Cross, the British Empire's highest award for military valor.
Canada remembers in Flanders Field. In World War I, Lieutenant Colonel John McCrae wrote this poem about the death of his good friend Alex Helmer. As the final bells toll, let us read together one of the most famous war poems in Canadian history.
In Flanders fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. Do you from prevailing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders fields.